Malaysians, do you say this? Can or not? She very hardworking. Let's fix these common English errors fast. Mistake number 1. Missing verb to be. She very kind. Nope. Into she is very kind. We often forget the word is, am or are. It's small but very important. Mistake number 2. Can or not? Now, it's supposed to be can you or is it possible if you? Can or not is very Malaysian and not formal. It's okay with friends but not when writing or do an interview. Mistake number 3. Misused plurals. She gave me many homeworks. Into she gave me a lot of homework. Homework is uncountable and S is not needed. We all make these mistakes, even me. So let's correct the habits and habitualize the correct. Want more quick tips? Like and follow for more. Which mistake do you hear the most? As always, be smart, be different.